treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Mazda 3. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include power windows, a tachometer, automatic temperature control, remote keyless entry, and much more. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.